Hey everybody, this is Chris. Today we're going to do some barbecuing on the Pit Boss. Yes, that's right, I said the Pit Boss. We're going to do some breakfast, thin sliced breakfast pork chops. So let's get the pork chops on. Let's get it going. Here we go, get this Pit Boss, get this small Pit Boss. Yeah, just started it up. Smoking. Wood pellets on this Pit Boss. We're going to put it in there. Smoking, smelling good. This thing could smell, man, if you could smell it, you'd smell it. Ooh, it smells good. I've got this set for 350. It's at 320. Let's see if it happens. Let's see if we get up to 350. See that glare there? Sometimes it'll get there, sometimes it won't. So I probably need to go in there and clean it out real good. So it'll get up to 350. We'll see what happens. It's time for a new brush. What do you think? I think so. Had it about 2 years. There. Thin pork chops. They're good.
Why are they thin?
It doesn't take long for them to cook. Season them up real good. I had that in there a while. It's starting to clump up on me. I don't like it clumpy. And I'm going to have some hot dogs in there for the hot dog boy. He likes hot dogs. I don't like pork chops. What kid don't like pork chops? Every kid loves pork chops. Nah, he likes them. He just wants hot dogs tonight. We'll make him some hot dogs. Bullying you? I'm not bullying you. Put these Nathan hot dogs on. Got a couple of them left. This is one of our favorites to use. 100% beef. This is what we like. All right, let's take a sneak peek at what these pork chops look like. They're hot dogs. Oh, yeah, they're browning over there. Ooh. Yeah, look at that. It's got a lot of heat on that side. Look at there. Hot dogs are looking good. All right, you ready? Coming. There's all of them over there. That's a lot better. Looking good. Looking good in the neighborhood. Look at that. Oh, man, look at the juice coming off that. I'll eat it up. It's not going to take long for these at all. Look at that. Just over. Little cheap piece of meat. Really good. I don't know if any of you have ever used a Pit Boss wood pellet grill. Here's what it gives you. I mean, what things you can do. You can grill, smoke, bake, roast, sear, braise, char grill, and barbecue. I was looking at this the other day. It says 8-in-1. 8-in-1. This grill does it all. Some of these are the same thing. Just use more names to make it look, oh my God, you can do all this stuff with it. I mean, grill and barbecue, that's kind of the same. It's the same thing. Bake, so you roast, sear, yeah. Some of this stuff is, I mean, char grill. I mean, come on, char grill, barbecue, and grill, come on. But hey, you got to put them words out there. You got to have more stuff, make it look like it's, oh my God, you can do all this stuff with it. I understand. But hey, yeah, that's what you can do with this wood pellet grill, this Pit Boss. I love it. I've had it for 3 years coming up. It works really well. All right, let's look at them. My stepson just said, you got to click the tongs or you'll be cursed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, he didn't say how many times. So you got to click the tongs every time you do it. Look there. The juice is coming off of that. There we go. The juice is rolling off of that. There. About time to pull them. They're about done. All right, let's check out them one more time. I think they're done. Oh yeah, little thin. Look at that. Good juice. Juice, juice, not blood. So we know they're good. Look at that. That's gonna be good. Be some good eating right there. Yeah. Good juice dripping off. Put them on this platter. Got a little platter out. Put them on there. We want to do some chicken. I love leg quarters. That's probably one of my favorite things about grilling chicken is leg quarters and chicken wings. There. Delicious. All right, that does it. We're going to taste test this real quick. I'm going to do one, get one and taste test it. Get one here. Hot, 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 hot. I'm going to pull it apart. Real quick. Got a bone. Auburn card. Oh man, that's good. Juicy and very tender. Man, those things are good. I got a pretty good deal on those. Less than $5 for 6 pork chops. I mean, that's okay, but I think it's a deal for nowadays prices because everything's so darn high, you know, how everything's high. But hey, that concludes the video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please like and subscribe and watch more videos. Thank you.